न्यूयॉर्क के इलाके स्टेटन आइलैंड में NYPD ऑफिसर्स के ज़ेर एहतमाम हाल ही में इंस्पेक्टर के ओहदे तक पहुंचने वाले पहले पाकिस्तानी निजात अमरीकी अदील राना के एहसास में बारबेक्यू पार्टी का एहतमाम किया गया। तकरीब का अहवाल इस रिपोर्ट में।
पाकिस्तानी निजात अदील राना न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में इंस्पेक्टर के ओहदे पर तरक्की पाने वाले पहले पाकिस्तानी अमेरिकन हैं। डिप्टी इंस्पेक्टर के ओहदे पर तैनात अदील राना तरक्की के बाद अब इंस्पेक्टर बन गए हैं। सगीर अहमद, मुदस्सिर मलिक और ज़िशान मुनव्वर की मेज़बानी में मुनक़्क़िदा प्रोग्राम का मकसद पहले पाकिस्तानी का न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस में इंस्पेक्टर के ओहदे पर तरक्की को सेलिब्रेट करना था। तकरीब का आगाज़ तिलावत कलाम पाक से हुआ। बादस तिलावत न्यूयॉर्क पुलिस में मुसलमान चैपलिन इमाम ताहिर ने सूरह अल-हम्द की फजीलत बयान की।
It says, in the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, we thank God Almighty, the Lord of the universe. Master of Day of Judgment, only you we worship and your help we seek.
तकरीब में NYPD अफसरान और अमरीकी ऑफिशल समेत कम्युनिटी की समाजी शख्सियात और दीगर अफराद ने बड़ी तादाद में शिरकत की। तकरीब में शरीक इंस्पेक्टर अदील राना के कुलीग्स और पुलिस अफसरान ने कम्युनिटी के साथ साथ अपने साथियों के लिए की जाने वाली अदील राना की खिदमात को सराहते हुए इनकी तरक्की पर उन्हें मुबारकबाद दी और मुस्तकबिल में उनकी कामयाबी के लिए नेक तमन्नाओं का इजहार किया।
Everybody that's out here, I know Adil Bhai since I was a kid, and from day one, I can always say that you know what, he was always there for everybody. Doesn't matter who it is and whatnot. Very from true. The moment I'm really, and he knows about that. That from junior high school, he's always been helpful for community. Everybody that's out there going up to him, hey, how can we do this?
The way he has paved the path for all of us, guided us in the future for our careers, personal lives, everything.
Who's always there for the community, always working hard, always showing up, sacrificing your family time, sacrificing everything to come and be with the community.
And it's a true victory for all of us to see our brother Adil Rana, and inshallah more. Inshallah, many of our brothers here in executive, and we are really looking to see a lot of our brothers and sisters moving up to the rank.
So Adil Bhai, his example is not just in New York, but it's in New Jersey, and it's slowly spreading to other states that we've been working with, Maryland, Virginia, Illinois, and we hope to get this message across to the rest of the country, but it's starting to spread here with him, so we hope it continues. Thank you guys.
This is a really humbling but a proud moment for Pakistani community and Muslim community also. Way back, if we go back, really back, somewhere close to 18, 19 years ago, this was just a dream. We could not have thought about it, that we will be celebrating this moment today. And trust me, I'm not going to sugarcoat. Everybody knows, for us especially, minorities and Muslims and Pakistani Americans, we have to work maybe 10 times harder to prove ourselves as any other communities do.
Here's a guy who is out there proud of his background, proud of who he is, proudly part of his community, and he's succeeded.
His success is success for all of us. He got promoted to inspector, first Pakistani inspector, and this is all of our success. And he's making the ways for all of us to succeed in our careers, in our lives. So he's a role model for all of us.
So for me, him becoming an inspector is just logic, it's common sense. And again, this is just a universal law, forget about religion. If you do good, you get good, right?
He's a mentor for our youngster, and we want to see just like mashallah, he's right now as an inspector, we want to see as a chief, we want to see his more promotion.
He is the most realist, genuine, open-hearted, loving individual you can meet. But after having a conversation with him the other day, I've learned, even through his trials and tribulations,
اس موقع پر انسپکٹر عدیل رانا کا اپنے اعزاز میں منعقدہ تقریب پر شکریہ ادا کرتے ہوئے کہنا تھا کہ میرے لیے یہ سب آپ لوگوں سے تعاون اور محبت کی وجہ سے ممکن ہوا ہے اور اتنی پذیرائی اور محبت دینے پر میں آپ سب کا ممنون ہوں.
But all those things are only possible because the support and the love I can get from you guys. The love and support that I can get from the family.
تقریب کے آخر میں انسپکٹر عدیل رانا اور سارجنٹ محمد علی کے لیوٹیننٹ کے عہدے پر ترقی کے سلسلے میں کیک بھی کاٹا گیا. بعد ازاں مہمانوں کی مزے کے پکوانوں سے تواضع کی گئی اور شرکاء انواع و اقسام کے کھانوں سے خوب لطف اندوز ہوئے.